Okay, we're in Cheoc Van in southern part of Macau. It's a rainy Friday evening, and we're just gonna kind of show you Cheoc Van on this rainy day. So we're just gonna basically walk down that way, and we'll bring you with us. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Give you a little bit of background. There's like some kind of cool looking housing up there, bunch of balconies, the swimming pool that's open right now. I was surprised. Some giant rocks, and then this is a little couple streets that overlook the water. I have filmed up there before, but today we're just gonna walk along this kind of rainy coastline of Cheoc Van Beach. Show you this kind of cool looking 3-story balcony kind of thing. I don't know what this is, it's always closed, I have no idea. There's a Posada de Coloane is like a hotel, and it has a bunch of rooms up there and they all have balconies. It's kind of a cool little space. Got your lifeguard right here, and it's kind of a rainy day, so you don't really see. There's some people swimming way down there, and earlier I saw some people over here swimming in the water, even though it was raining all day. It's been raining for like 3 days in a row. Got the mountainside up there. This one is bathrooms, swimming, you can changing rooms and swimming, things like that. Got a couple people that are walking with an umbrella, speaking loudly. We'll probably walk by them shortly. A couple groups like that. There's a swimmer right there, and there's our lifeguard who's off duty right now. Got our little black and white tile stuff. Got a scorpion, crab, dolphin with a ball on it. Is that what that is, or is that a shrimp? Or is that a unicorn with a ball behind it? I don't know. Angelfish, looks like. Dolphin. So we got the only people around today. He said hi. We got some kind of medical clinic here to the left. I guess that sign is if you have some kind of, if you drowned and you survive it, you can come up here to the clinic. Or no, Posto do Socorros. That might be a post office. Don't know what that is. Clinic, or I don't know what it is. Can't go in it though, for sure. Must be lifeguard. Must be, maybe Posto is like the post where the lifeguards hang out at or something. I'm not really sure. I know some Portuguese, but I don't know Portuguese that well. Kind of a cool little balconies right there. Somebody's house is amazing. That one, nobody's even there. Looks like it's abandoned. That one's like a nice apartment. It's all painted, and this one is completely abandoned, no painting. Part of the Clube swimming club, I guess. Lighting is good. Coming near the parking garage, and there's Posada de Coloane. Some tourist signs that tell you where to go in this tiny little area. People on their phones. A couple people on their phones. Oh, that one's on his phone. Phone. And they're just having a conversation. There's one swimmer right there, so I guess that's the swimming area, I guess. Although I think that would be the swimming area, and that'd be where the boats come in, but I'm not really sure. But whatever the case is, somebody's swimming in that space. This one is... I don't know the story about that, but I think it's some apartment where there's a bunch of condos with apartments, I believe. But I think it's also connected with these boats, so I don't know exactly the connection. And there's our beach, so let's just jump down. I'll do a little sweeping view of this whole thing. Go all the way down. And we're almost at the water. Haksa is black sand beach, but this is Cheoc Van, and it's not black like the other beach. Very small little waves, and we're gonna end it right there. So that's our beach.
Caribenha.